Tired of coworkers pinging you the moment you step away from your desk? You finally take a day off or step out for an appointment and your phone just keeps buzzing with messages. It is the worst. But here is the good news. You can stop that from happening in under a minute. Set an auto-expiring out-of-office status in Webex and people will know you are gone without you having to send a single message. I will walk you through opening the app, setting your message, and choosing exactly how long it lasts. Let us start. First, make sure you have the Webex desktop app open on your computer. This works on both Windows and Mac, so no matter what you are using, you are good to go. Then, click your profile picture in the upper left corner. It is that little circle with your photo or initials. Go ahead and click it. This opens a small menu right underneath. Next, click Status from that menu. Now you are looking at the status field. This is where the magic happens. Now type your message in the status field. This is the part where you tell everyone what is going on. You can be simple and just type out of office, or you can be a little more specific, like out of office until Monday, or even out of office back on June 10th. Anything you put here will show up next to your name when people look you up. I personally like to include the date I am returning. That way, nobody has to guess or send a follow-up message asking when I will be back. Then set how long it stays active. And here is the really important part. Right below where you typed your message, there is a drop-down menu that says Clear Status After. Click that. This is what makes your status automatic. You choose how long you want that out-of-office sign to hang there. You can pick 1 hour, 4 hours, today, this week, or even a custom date and time. So if you're just stepping out for a long lunch, set it for a couple of hours. If you're on vacation for a week, set it for the week. The system will clear it for you when the time is up, so you do not have to remember to remove it yourself. That is a lifesaver. Finally, click Save to apply. It is that blue button right there. Once you click it, your status is live. Your status is now visible to your contacts, and here is the best part. When someone searches for you in Webex or looks at your name in a chat, they will see your out-of-office message right there. No more awkward pings while you are trying to relax. And because you set a timer, that message disappears when you get back without you lifting a finger. That is how to set an out-of-office status in Webex. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.